Today I'm going to make you a very delicious avocado salad, okay? So first I'm going to prepare tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers, and our avocado, okay? So we're going to gently mix them together. Have a taste. And this is a little salad dressing that I've made. It's vinegar, olive oil, and a little lemon juice, okay? So we're going to pour it over. Okay, and I'm going to have a taste. And this is our delicious avocado salad. Wow, this is delicious. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.